Let's talk about RX 9070 XT because the AMD is not going to give you the enough VRAM, I will say. But let's discuss about it. So number one thing, the RX 9070 XT, everybody knows that RX 9000 series or 9070 series, whatever the AMD going to call it, by the way. So it's already been manufactured, already been shipped to the retailers. Everybody knows about that. But the thing is, it is going to release March 6. I'm going to discuss about that as well. But the thing is, it's already been unboxed. So here is a picture of the basically Gigabyte RX 9070 XT. By the way, very weird naming from the AMD. So I basically love that how they just started the naming RX and like 5070, 5700 XT, 7800 XT. This was very nice name, by the way. The thing is, the RX Gigabyte RX 9070 XT is already been unboxed and their pictures are over there. This is the article from the videocars.com and the link will be in the description down below if you like to have a look on that. So basically this is the box, not kind of different or out of the world kind of thing. So in that case, if we talk about the NVIDIA's reference card of the RX 5090, that is a really engineering marvel, by the way. So but nothing special over here. The only thing, it's already confirmed that it's a 16 gigabyte of the VRAM. So we had a rumor that it is going to ship with the 32 GB as well. So that is already denied. I'm going to talk about that as well. Another thing that it is the RX 9070 XT gigabyte OC 16 gigabyte. Number thing, one thing that is confirmed, and also it's at the 2-year warranty. It came with the 1600. I don't know, it's a pound or euro. My bad, that is a euro. So 1600 euro. Definitely that is not going to be real once it's going to be launched. So we can take it as a rumor and just like that. This is the basically box, and if you look at the card, and it comes with the regular 6-pin connectors, 3 6-pin connectors. So that is good thing, as NVIDIA is just running behind that 16 pin melting connector. So we are not getting with the RX 9070 XT. Really like that thing. And next thing is that was a rumor that RX 9070 XT is going to be shipped with the 32 GB DDR6 VRAM. So that was denied, and that was denied officially by the AMD, and that was denied by the Frank Azor. Basically it's an official statement from the AMD, and they confirmed that it is not going to ship with the 32 GB. It is going to be shipped with the 16 gigabyte of VRAM. So we already know about that. And the next thing is we know that how much powerful supply you need for the RX 9070 XT. I keep saying the RTX 9070. Come on, AMD. Anyway, so for talking about the power supply, RX 9070, basically the non-XT version, that requires a 650 watt to 8-pin connectors. And the other thing, that is RX 9070 XT, the XT variant, and this is a little bit weird, and the one that is a Reaper version from the power color, and that requires 750 watt to 8-pin connectors. And 9070 XT Red Devil, that requires a 900 watt 3 8-pin connectors. So here I'm assuming we already know that the RX 9070 XT is going to be a monster regarding the overclocking. So it might be this power color Red Devil thing that is going to be released soon. That is going to be a very overclocked version of the RX 9070 XT maybe. That's why the power supply requirement is a little bit high. And the next thing is the RX 9700 series is going to arrive at the March 6, and it's a just a day after the RX 5070 sales. So here is the basically upcoming timeline. At the February 9th, Geforce RTX 5070 Ti, the Founder Edition, going to be reviewed, and the RX and the February 20th, Geforce RTX 5070 Ti, the other than the Founder Edition, non-MSRP variants will be reviewed, or the YouTubers will be allowed to review that. So another thing, the February 28th, Radeon RX 9070 series announcement. So they are going to announce that they are selling and blah blah blah, but they had to announce that in the CS, I believe. And the next the March 5th, RX RTX, again RX and RTX is mixing on my head. March 5th, GeForce RTX 5070 is going to be sold. They have no restriction regarding that, and I believe the RX 5070 is going to be a disaster for the NVIDIA 5000 series. Already is a very kind of paper launch, and the RTX 5070, the most of people like me who can afford kind of budget things, they're already waiting for it, but this is going to be a disaster because it's not going to be competitive with the RTX 4090. Just be clear, it's already clear, bro. Anyway, the March 6th RX 9070 series is going to be launched, and somebody is saying that its MSRP is going to be between $500 and $750 anyway. So, but we don't know what is going to be the MSRP for these two variants. Just let me know in the comments down below. It's a very short video. Just let me know in the comments down below which team you are going to pick on this generation.